Hello students, how are you all doing? Hope that you must be fit and well. Today we are doing a sum from JEE Mains 2016. The sum reads like this. If the line x minus 3 by 2 equal y plus 2 by minus 1 equal z plus 4 by 3 lies in the plane Lx plus my minus z equals 9, then L squared plus m squared is equals to. The given options are A 26, B 18, C 5 and D 2. Okay, out of these given four options, only one option is correct. And we have to find that correct option from the given four options. Okay, so how we will do the sum? See, first you understand the sum. See, here it is being told to us that this is a line, whose equation is this. This line is lying on the given plane, whose equation is this. Okay, and we have to find the values of L squared and M squared. So, we will frame two equations in terms of L and M from the given these two equations, and then we will find out the values of L and M and then substitute the values of L and M here and get the values of L squared plus M squared. So, see here. Now, here this is the equation of the line. So, the direction ratio, okay. So, the direction ratios of the vector, okay, parallel to given line, okay. So, what will be the direction ratios of the vector parallel to the given line will be 2, minus 1, 3, okay. And the direction ratios of the vector which is perpendicular to the plane, okay. Now see, perpendicular to the plane means it will be perpendicular to the line as well, because the line is lying on the plane. So the vector which is perpendicular to the plane will be perpendicular to the given line. So therefore the direction ratio, okay, so the direction ratios of the vector, okay, perpendicular to the line, okay, because these are the vectors which are perpendicular to the plane and the line is lying on the plane. So the vector which is perpendicular to the plane will be perpendicular to the line as well. So what are the vectors which are perpendicular to the plane? Are L means the x coefficient, y coefficient and the z coefficient are the direction ratios of the normal to the plane. So the coefficient of x is L, the coefficient of y is plus m and the coefficient of z is minus 1. So this is the direction ratio of the vector which is perpendicular to the plane. So it will be perpendicular to the line also. Okay. Now, so this vector which is parallel to the line and the vector which is perpendicular to the line will be both perpendicular to each other. Okay. So their dot product will be 0. So what will be the dot product of the vector which is parallel to the line and perpendicular to the line? So dot product is the L into 2. Okay. So this will be 2L into m into minus 1, that is minus m, and 3 into minus 3, 1, that is minus 3, that is equals to 0. Okay. So 2L minus m is equals to 3. So this is the first equation in terms of L and M. Now second equation from where we will get in terms of L and M. See, this is a line which is lying on the plane. Okay. Now see, the coordinate of a point, okay, point on the line. So what will be the coordinates of the point on the line? The equation of, okay, so here the number which is written with the x, y and z with the opposite side is the point through which the line is passing. Okay, so let that point be P. Okay, so the given line is passing through the point. Here it is with x, it is minus 3. Change the sign, plus 3. Okay, and here the y, with y it is plus 2. Here change the sign, minus 2. Here with z it is plus 4. Change the sign, minus 4. So this is the point through which the given line is passing. Okay, and since the line is lying on the plane, so this point through which the line is passing must be a point on the given plane. So this is the point which is lying on the given plane. So this point must obey the equation of the given plane. Okay, so we are substituting the coordinates of P in the equation of the plane. Okay, so in place of x we will write 3. So 3 into L, 3L. And in place of y we will write minus 2. So minus 2 into m is minus 2m. Okay, and in place of z I will write minus 4. So minus into minus 4 is plus 4 is equals to 9. And from here we get 3L minus 2m is equals to plus 4 going this side. So minus 4, 9 minus 4 is equals to 5. So this is the second equation in terms of L and M. And we'll solve these two equations. Okay, so now solve these two equations. Now write the equations. Okay, here. Okay, so write the equations on the top, and then we are solving those two equations. Okay, now see, first equation is this: 2L minus M is equals to 3, and the second equation is this: 3L minus 2M is equals to 5. This is the second equation. Now solve it by cross multiplication method. Okay, there are many methods of getting the values of L and M, solving the linear equations. Okay, so we are doing by cross multiplication method. Okay, so L divided by some denominator, M divided by some denominator, and minus 1 divided by, so when the constant on this side it will be minus 1. Okay, so L denominator will be what? The M coefficient multiplied with constant. Okay, minus 1 into 5, so minus 5, and here minus 2 into 3 is minus 6, change the sign, plus 6, and M denominator will be 3 into 3, 9. Okay, and here 2 into 5, 10, change the sign, minus 10. Okay, and minus 1 denominator, 2 into 2, 2 into minus 2, minus 4. Okay, and 3 into minus 1. Okay, so minus 3, change the sign, plus 3. Okay, now solve it. So L minus 5 plus 6 is 1, and M here 9 minus 10 minus 1, and here minus 1 by minus 4 plus 3 is minus 1. Minus minus cuts out. So what we are getting? We are getting L is equals to 1 into 1, 1. Okay, and M is equals to minus 1 into 1, cross multiply. So L value we have got 1 and M value minus 1. Now we will find the value of L squared plus M squared, that is asked. Okay, so L squared plus M squared substitute. So in place of L we will write 1 because L value we have got 1, plus M I will write minus 1. So minus 1 whole squared. So that is 1 squared is 1, and plus minus 1 squared is 1. So that is equals to 2. Now check from the given options. So the D is saying 2. So the answer is D. Okay. So I hope that you must have understood the sum very clearly. Okay. Thanks for watching the video. Stay fine. Thank you.